History was created today in Haridwar, and it was Tisha who created this history. Tisha, as you all know, Tisha Leader has been playing squash for a very long time now, and she actually bagged a trophy, and this is her trophy. So, Tisha, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
You are now officially the Queen of Haridwar. So, how do you feel?
Feels great.
You feel great?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, obviously, this has not just come easy. It's just too much amount of hard work she has put in, dedication, commitment, discipline, every other thing has happened. But there was one very important sacrifice she did couple of months back. She is here going to talk to you about what is that major sacrifice. So, what was that sacrifice you made?
I sacrificed my phone,
Okay.
my smartphone.
Your smartphone, okay.
It really helped me until here.
When did you, which month was it? When did you decide to give away your phone?
I've done it before, but I got my phone back. But again, I gave it on June 29th.
June 29th, okay.
Yeah, it's been almost 2.5 months, and I've given my phone. I just have one normal button phone.
Yeah.
And
The basic phone is more for just mere communication,
Yeah.
yes, isn't it? Your smartphone, you gave it up on
June 29th.
June 29th, yes. So tell us, before that and after, before like having the phone, what was the challenges? What do you think you used to do with the phone?
Before, when I had a phone, it was a new phone, so I was very excited, and I started watching movies up till late night, like 2 o'clock. That would affect my training, and I couldn't train properly. I would always be on the phone and not, focus on what I have to, not even my studies. So, but after I gave my phone, I was able to sleep properly, and it really helped me in my training, and I started focusing more on studies and squash.
Great, absolutely. As you can see, there are clear differences before and after. So now, okay, when you decided to give the phone, was it really difficult to begin with?
No, it was not very difficult because I had already given once before,
okay.
so it was not very much difficult for
Yeah.
me. So yeah.
So a lot of advantages you had after you took
Yeah,
this phone
yeah.
vacation. Let's call it as a phone vacation. She's taken time off from phone. Recently, PV Sindhu did that. She, as we all know, she went on to win World Championship, gold medal there, and it was there in every newspaper that one of the key reasons she won was because she took a long time phone vacation for almost 6 months. Now, in the month of October, you have your nationals coming up. How high are you aiming for that?
Always aiming to win the trophy, but
Great.
let's see.
Yeah.
Have to put more hard work, and I have to sacrifice even more things.
Lovely, great.
Yeah.
So many leaders are watching this, and most of the leaders know you. What is that one important message regarding phones that you have to all our leaders? You have hold this amazing, beautiful trophy, and you had a cash prize also. You took the photograph with the minister of this thing, and a great moment for you. Many would want to be in your place right now, in whatever fields it is, not just squash, in every other thing. At such a young age, you managed to do this. What is that one salient, important message that you have for all our leaders? Yeah.
I would say the biggest thing is phone is the waste of time and distraction. So just don't go behind it. It's just a waste of time, and you can use that. It's precious time, so you can use that precious time in something else. And yeah, so just no more distractions. Yeah.
Thank you, Tisha. She has summarized in such a simple words and no more phone. And you can see the results right now. She's holding the results here. Today she's Queen of Haridwar. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tisha is lovely sharing, and thank you leaders for watching this video. Thank you so much.